I'm loving this hair right now. Oh, my lash has fallen off. I am so sorry. I didn't bother to glue my lashes on properly, and I'm kind of regretting that because I look very sloppy. Oh well, you guys didn't come here for quality content. You came here to see my messy ass, so... Hey, hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to hop onto Amazon and order myself a hair crimper because I saw one of my favorite commentary YouTubers crimp her hair with this exact hair crimper, and I was like, it's a wrap. I need that in my life right now because those crimps were looking so defined. I wanted to try to recreate it. I don't think mine turned out as good as hers, but this was my first time ever using a hair crimper, so I think I did a pretty damn good job. I got the crimper off of Amazon. This is the TIGI Bedhead Wave Artist. I love how deep the crimp is. I decided to crimp my clip-in extensions that I got from BetterLength. I already did a BetterLength video, just like first impressions review. So if you guys want to see that video, it'll be linked in the iCard and down below. A little update on the clip-ins. They're still bomb. They're still amazing. No detangling. What? I'm tired, y'all, as you can tell. But no tangling so far. They still are really nice, thick. Would y'all believe me when I tell y'all that this isn't my hair right now? This is all the clip-ins. Like, I just have a little leave out in the front and on the side right here just to cover up the tracks, but the leave out is very minimal. All of this is the clip-ins, and this is just one bundle. One pack of clip-ins is this thick. I'll show y'all how I have my hair underneath all these clip-ins. It's not braided down just because I suck at braiding. I wasn't going to embarrass myself on the internet with that, so I just smoothed my hair down, applied the clip-ins in, but I will be showing you guys in the demonstration how I achieved this look. But before I begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below anything. It helps with my engagement. Last video, I told you guys to comment down your zodiac signs. For this video, comment your favorite color. Honestly, my favorite color is blue. Blue is just a pretty color. So yeah, comment down below your favorite color. I want to know, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. So without further ado, let's just get right into this demonstration. Hello. So first things first, we are going to start on freshly cleaned, blow-dried hair, and now we are going to part my hair in the middle because that's how I wanted to style this look. But if you like side parts, then go do whatever part you want to do. But as you can see, I'm just going to section off some hair around the part, and when I think I got a good enough section, I'm then going to braid it out of the way and then do the same thing for both front sides of my head. I realized I didn't really need to do this because it's not like I was going to have my hair pulled back into a bun and like expose my front edges, but I still just did it just to be on the safe side. I didn't want no tracks peeking out. Now that our leave out is sectioned and braided out of the way, we are going to brush and smooth down the rest of our hair into a low ponytail. And then with the exposed ends, we are going to braid it down and then take a little hair rubber tie and tie off them ends. We are going to take the braid, flip it around up, and pin it to our heads using closed bobby pins. And make sure to use like 2 bobby pins or more just to make sure that the braid is really secured in. You don't want her to fall down or anything because that'd be embarrassing. And that's it. Now our hair is ready to clip some clip-ins too. The BetterLength hair extensions come in this satin bag, super cute. We are just going to pull out them extensions and brush them through to make sure there are no knots in them. And the clip-ins come with the clips already sewed onto the weft, so you don't need to worry about sewing them on when you receive them. I put some hairspray on the extensions to help them hold the crimps better, and I decided to crimp the hair extensions before placing them in my hair because I figured it'd be easier to crimp them in front of me, like in my hand. But you can always clip the clip-ins in first and then crimp your hair. Just do whatever you want, honestly. With the wefts, they were pretty wide, so I had to kind of do one half of the weft and then crimp the other half of the weft. The crimper tool isn't long enough to fit the whole weft in at one time, or you're gonna have to crimp the hair in sections. But oh my gosh, look at the hair, looking like some shiny ramen noodles. We love it. Now to apply the clip-ins into your hair, it's pretty straightforward. I took one of the smaller wefts just to put it at the base because, you know, the nape of my neck is smaller compared to the rest of my head. But anywho, so I took that weft, I kind of just dug the clip-ins into the hair and snapped them into place. And boom, this is how it's looking. And then I just repeated the process by crimping the clip-ins and then clipping them into my hair. So obviously near the middle part of my head, it was wider. So I took the longest clip-in weft to clip in there, and then near the top it used the smaller ones. But yeah, you see what I'm doing. Pretty much there's no real logic to it. I kind of just apply them wherever and somehow it works out. So this is the final clip that I'm clipping into my hair, and as you can see, once again, this is one bundle of clip-ins. One bundle looks this thick. That is all just the clip-ins in the back there. That is amazing. That looks so thick, shiny, luscious. Oh my goodness. Yes, you better swing that hair, girl. And this is the light Yaki 1B 18-inch clip-ins that I have in my hair right now. Please ignore my fat cat in the background watching me film. Now that the clip-ins are in, we are going to work on this leave out. So first things first, we're gonna unbraid these braids. I'm looking like Diary of a Mad Black Woman with this leave out. Like, look at that. It just, I can't take myself seriously. Now we gotta blend our leave out with the clip-in, so we're just gonna go and crimp our leave out with the bedhead crimper. Why did I forget the name of the tool for a second? Anywho, so yeah, pretty straightforward. Same thing that we already did with the clip-ins, we're gonna do on our leave out, and then it should just all blend together somewhat nicely. See, I don't know if I was just tired or maybe because on this side I had to hold the tool with my non-dominant hand, but it was just so hard to crimp this side of my head. I don't know why. And this side came out looking terrible, and I was just too tired to try to perfect it. But yeah, for some reason this side of my head just did not come out that good with the crimp. It was looking wonky. I wasn't crimping it properly. See, you can see me messing up. You can see me messing up. You see, oh my gosh, it didn't come out as good. It's fine though, it's fine. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. But yeah, this is how it came out. Oh my gosh, do you see that struggle crimp right there? This is how the final hair looks. Look at her. She looks like some beautiful ramen noodles. Ooh, some beautiful mermaid waves. It's so fast, so easy to do, and it was like really, it's an effortless look. And if I had beat my face to the gods, then this would, ooh. I wanted to do like an electric blue eyeshadow look with this type of hair because I feel like that would have just been a moment. But next time I will stunt on you guys and do a bold blue eye look with this wavy mermaid hair. You better watch out. Anywho, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed that demonstration, and I hope it was easy to understand. I really suck at explaining stuff. Like, why do you want me to do hair tutorials? I can barely explain how to tie my own shoelace. I can't explain how to do my hair. The bedhead waver is so good. Honestly, so good. I really recommend you guys get it. I like that it has the close open latch, so it's not always like this. You can just... Sorry, I'm struggling now. Why am I struggling? It has a lock latch, so it doesn't stay open all the time. That's amazing. You can adjust the temperature. I wish I was able to see what temperature it's on. I kind of hate these ones because I never know, like, is it hot enough? I don't know. I don't want to burn my hair off, but I want it to be hot enough to actually do something, you know, because my hair be stubborn. And then the clip-ins really took well to the heat and to the crimper. Yeah, I feel like right now the waves are starting to fall, but it's still cute. It's still still crimped. It's still visibly crimped. It's just looser now. And I think I actually like the looseness. I think it really gives it a true bed head. I just woke up. My hair's messy, but it's cute messy, you know? For this being the first time using a crimper, I really enjoyed it. This is my first, but for sure not my last time rocking crimped hair. I really like this. This is the moment. Oh, my lash is falling off. I am so sorry. I didn't bother to glue my lashes on properly, and I'm kind of regretting that because I look very sloppy. Oh well, you guys didn't come here for quality content. You came here to see my messy ass. So anywho, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below your favorite color. I want to know down below. I will have these BetterLength clip-in information, link, everything down below. The crimper link, everything down below. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!